Make an Italian cream cake. A stick of softened regular butter and 2 cups of white sugar. We're gonna cream these together. We hope so. Okay, now you are going to add your egg yolks. 5 of them.
Just the yolks?
Yes, just the yolks at this time. And beat this together. You're going to add in 1 cup of buttermilk. Thick milk. Okay, we're gonna get that blended. Flour. I'm not gonna add it all at one time. Now I'm gonna add the rest of the all-purpose flour. It's a total of 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Got it.
Okay, once you've got your flour mixed in, leave your mixer right there. You're gonna add in a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring, a can of coconut, which this is cream of coconut. Add that in. Just splash everywhere. And we're gonna mix this up. Okay, now you need to stir in a cup of pecans.
Pecans, pecans.
Yeah, I call them pecans. And kind of help that mix it together. Okay, now set this to the side. And we're going to beat the 5 egg whites.
So you're gonna transfer it?
We've got 5 egg whites here. We're gonna put it in a bigger bowl so we can get our egg whites beat up, and then we will put them in our cake mix. Okay, we got our egg whites stiff. And you're gonna take this and fold it into your cake mix.
All right.
So this might be our tricky part.
Yeah, I'm curious to see how you're gonna do this.
Look here, I'll just take this. And I'm not really sure that understanding the technique of this.
This is one of our more fancy recipes we've done.
Yeah, I've never in my life folded in egg whites. I don't need to keep doing it too much. Okay, let's now start dividing. Let's see here, we got 1. Now, we're gonna go in the oven for 30 minutes at 350. Look behind me, make sure I don't have any children left.
We got our hands full today.
Yeah. Okay, we'll put them right down here.
All right.
That one can go right here in the center.
All right.
30 minutes. Okay, while our cakes are cooking, we're gonna make our frosting for our Italian cream cake. You're gonna take 1 ounce of softened cream cheese. Put that in your bowl. You're going to take 1 stick of butter, softened.
Or margarine in this case.
Yes. And we're gonna blend this together before we stick in our powdered sugar. Okay? It says 16 ounces of powdered sugar, so that's half of this bag.
All right.
We're gonna topple that in there.
Topple away.
We're also going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 2 tablespoons of whole milk. And a cup of pecans. Might be a little bit less in the cup because I dropped some out of the bag. Okay, here it's the icing will be delicious. And this is what we're gonna put on all 3 layers of our cakes once they've cooled.
Ooh.
Okay, we've got our 3
Looks
cakes.
perfect. Go back and get the other one.
Yeah. Set them down real easy. They smell good.
They smell real good.
We're gonna cool these down by putting them on a plate where they'll get out of the cake pans. Oh, there we go.
Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna just take we're gonna spread our icing over this. This one like this. Oh dear.
Oh no.
That's where it was warm and sat
Oh,
on
the
that
moist
plate.
start. That's okay. It's the middle layer, so.
Nobody will ever know, besides everybody who just watched us. See how when you put it down, I don't know, over here I seen where it starts seeping a little bit.
Looks so good though.
Probably could have used even a little bit more frosting. But after a bag of sugar, or 2 pounds or 1 pound of sugar,
Looks pretty dang good to me. Look at Brantley looking at it.
yeah, I'm just kind of bringing it over the edges here where it's kind of just gonna flow down.
Uh-huh.
And it's good and moist. I'm not gonna get a big piece. Oh. Well, I can say it's finger licking good.
Well, that's all you want to hear.
That is delicious.
All right, you heard it here, folks.
It's really good. Said you can't have any.
If Kim says it, you know it's the truth.
That is good.
She don't tell no lies. It looks so good.
Right now, while it's warm, it's really good.